How to fix your TikTok profile not loading. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. If you follow all the steps that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, then you will definitely solve this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, switch to your Wi-Fi or mobile data with a strong connection. You can also try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even restarting your router. If that doesn't work, let's go to the basics. Simply go ahead and try force closing your TikTok application and then try reopening it. You can also go to your profile settings and privacy and simply go to free up space and clear your cache on time. If your application is outdated, you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok and see if there are any updates available. If yes, simply go ahead and update it. You can also go to downdetector.com to see if the TikTok servers are down or not. Always try restarting your device. A simple restart can also fix temporary glitches. And if none of it works, try logging out and logging back in, or even check for app or system updates. If none of it works, try uninstalling and reinstalling your application, which should definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.